Data type is a particular kind of data item which is defined by the values that it can take, the programming language used, and the operations that can be performed on the data type. In Java, data types are broadly categorized into three categories: primitive, derived, and user-defined. In this video, we are going to focus on primitive data types. Primitive data types allow only one value to be stored in a variable. And there are 8 primitive data types in Java that are classified into 3 broad categories: Boolean, char, and arithmetic. Boolean data type are used for storing logical values. It can hold one of the two possible values, true or false, also referred to at times as 1 and 0. This data type is used to track true-false conditions, and the default value is false. A character is an identifier which is enclosed within single quotes. Char hold character type whose values are 16-bit Unicode characters, and it is used to store any character. The minimum value that can be stored in char type is 0 and the maximum value is 65,535 inclusive. The arithmetic data types are used to store numbers and are further divided into integral and floating point categories. Now, integer data types are used for storing integer data in the main memory of computer by allocating sufficient amount of memory space. These are further divided into 4 types: byte, short, int, and long. And depending on the size of value to be stored, a relevant integer data type can be chosen. Float data type are used for representing float values, that is, decimal values. This category contains 2 data types: float and double. And again, depending on the size of value to be stored, you can choose between the two. So that's all about primitive data type, guys. In the next video, we'll talk about the operators in Java.